Are you wondering if you should get a home warranty for your rental property? A home warranty is a service contract that claims to cover repairs or replacements for things like air conditioning systems, plumbing, and appliances. On the surface, it sounds like peace of mind. But when it comes to rental homes, we've found that home warranty companies don't have the same sense of urgency that is required to get needed repairs completed. Warranty companies require you to use their vendors, which usually means slower response times. And that's a big problem when a tenant is without air conditioning or the hot water heater is leaking. And here's the most important thing to consider. Having a home warranty does not relieve you from your legal obligation as a landlord to make repairs timely, especially in emergency situations. Delays caused by the warranty company can still leave you liable with frustrated tenants. At Stratton Vantage Property Management, we'll do our best to work with your warranty company. But when an immediate repair is needed, we step in to get the job done to protect you as the landlord and your investment property. We typically don't recommend home warranty companies. In most cases, direct repairs through trusted vendors are faster, more reliable, and help you stay in compliance with landlord laws. Our goal is to protect your property, keep your tenants happy, and make your ownership stress-free. Thanks for watching.